Hello. So, welcome again. I'm your business and accounting partner. I want to share with you briefly about taxes. It's not really a teaching or anything like that, it's just a discussion because I'm just coming out from a meeting with Federal Inland Revenue Service on behalf of a client. It's a routine tax audit. Okay, I'm sure some of us are familiar with that, and many of us have received that audit letter. And so it just started. Coming out from that meeting, I want to ask business owners, entrepreneurs, business managers, really, what is the problem with taxes? As an accountant, I do not think that taxes should be one of the things you should worry about as a business owner. Really. Yes, there are so many things to worry about as a business owner, but taxes shouldn't be one of them. Now, why am I saying this? Because the burden of tax is not on you as a business owner. What we call the incidence of tax, the final burden of tax or taxes is not on you as a business owner. So why are you spending executive time that you would have better spent on strategizing, growing your business, making more profit? You are spending it worrying about taxes. I Let me try to explain what I'm saying. You see, the person who bears the incidence of tax at the end of the day are the consumers of your product and or your service. He's the one who will bear the incident, because every tax imposed on you that you have to pay to generate value and distribute that value, take it to the people who needs that service or the product, you will add it on to your cost of doing business, to your cost of production. And that cost is what helps you determine what price you will sell. So if government say VAT, value added tax, is now 10%, as a business owner, it shouldn't be a concern to you. Why? The tax is not targeted at you. That is for value added tax, for example. Okay, I will explain a little further, but let me take another tax again, withholding tax. Withholding tax is simply income tax collected in advance by government, because the government does not want to wait till the end of the year when you render your returns before collecting the bulk money as income tax. So they came up with this withholding tax law, which says as you are doing transaction on a transaction by transaction basis, they take 5 or 10% of the value of that transaction ahead of when you will make your final return at the end of the year. So withholding tax is not an extra burden on you as a business owner. It's just your income tax being paid in advance. That is number 2. Number 3, income tax. Income tax. Income tax is tax charged on profit. As a matter of fact, income tax should be a joy to pay for a business owner. It shows that you are successful. It shows that you are making money. It shows that your business is alive and is growing. That is why you have income tax to pay. If your business does not report a profit, you really will not pay income tax. Your income tax liability will be 0. But let's say you make profit, and so government says 30% of that, depending on the size of your business, 20%, 25%, 30% is income tax. Hey, you have the remaining 70, 80% to yourself as a business owner. Yes, the government may not have provided you with anything. Why don't you just take it as part of the cost of running the business? Your profit at the end of the year, 100 million. Government takes 30 million. You have 70 million. It's not worth you spending your time and energy on. So, very quickly, what do you need to do so that you stop worrying about taxes? Number 1, plan for it, because it is predictable. We know there's nothing hidden. Every transaction that you undertake has tax implication. Plan for it. Make provision for it. Number 2, comply. File on time so that you avoid paying unnecessary penalties and levies. That is actually where the burden now comes on you for failure to make returns as at when due. Number 3, work with experts. Work with me. All right? It's not for you to worry about. Let me worry about your taxes. Let the accountant, the tax consultant, that professional, let them be the ones to worry about your taxes while you focus on running your business. Maybe finally, keep proper record. Keep proper record. Keep your invoices. Keep your receipts. Keep proper record of your transaction, and you won't have anything to worry about. Well, I don't want this video to be too long. There are still so much to say about taxes, but let me end it by telling you, tax should not be one of the things you worry about as a business owner. Instead of worrying about taxes, embrace them as a sign of business growth and financial success. Plan for it, stay compliant, and seek professional support. And you won't have to worry about taxes. I'm your business partner, your accounting partner, Ernest Ogbebo. Thank you.